What I really like about Command now is that we have everything in one place. Currently, we have about 7,500 people in our database, and we're using tags in order to know, where these people came from. Most of them will be my sphere of influence, but we also have the sphere of influence of our agents in our team. And also we have, tags that show us who was a past client, who was a client from 2022, who was a client for 2021. If they came from Facebook, from one of the ads that we run, we also have a tag for those. So being able to tag everybody in different categories help us a lot to be able to communicate with them better. We've been adding the neighborhood market report. We're actually seeing some success right there, with our past clients are looking into the neighborhoods, even adding other neighborhoods to it. So that kind of helps us have a conversation with them, a point of contact, a point of, having something to say. So for me, that's actually helping a lot right now. I'm very excited about running the entire transaction through Command. We used to have a different system where we had a very, very healthy checklist of every single step of the transaction that our transaction coordinator follows. So now we are transferring all of that into Command so we can have everything in one place. 2023 is the year that you really need to embrace Command. It's more than just a CRM. It's a way to run your business, from beginning to end, and just make your business grow in one place with one tool, that is as amazing as Command.